Let's see if I can crank this thing up for y'all, man. Hopefully the battery ain't dead. Crank it up, let it run for a minute. You too. See what's going on. Hit this switch. It's your boy Tony coming back at y'all, man. One more again with another great video, you two, on Chevys Are Us, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all here in the garage, man. And, you know, we ain't been out here in a minute, man. You know, a couple things happened or whatever. You know, I had to sit that thing down for a minute. You know what I'm talking about? I talk about that, man. I don't know if y'all watched the last video or not, but, you know, I was kind of talking about why I had to sit down for a minute, give it a break. If you haven't checked that video out, man, click that link in the top right corner, man. Check that video out, man. You'll see what I'm talking about. You too. But anyway, man, I just wanted to make a quick video, YouTube. I know it's been a little while since I made a new video, maybe about a week and a half or so, but just kind of had to take a break, man. You know, don't want to get burnt out. You know, you want to focus. You got to stay focused. You know what I'm talking about? But I just wanted to make a quick video, man, and kind of tell y'all what's coming next with the 72. Got the 72 right here. Y'all see it. But what we gonna be doing next, and where we going. So, first things first is I still have a steering issue with my gearbox. It's sticking, you know. Originally we had steering problems with the power steering pump, and I made a video about that too, man. I don't know if y'all had a chance to check that video out, man, but hey, check it out, man. Click that link in the top right corner, man. We talk about the power steering pump and the issues and the challenges that we face with the power steering pump, but we got that worked out. So now it worked perfectly for about maybe a week or so, and now we got another problem with the steering. So the Chevy has been down for a little while. Haven't really been haven't drove it. Really ain't even cranked it up, man. Here and there I crank it up, but I don't want to run it too much because the power steering fluid has all leaked out, and I don't want to run the pump without no fluid in it because you'll damage the pump like that. Then I have to put another pump on it. But anyway, I talk about that in that video. But check that video out, power steering. But anyway, what the issue is now is that the gearbox is sticking and it act crazy, man. It don't feel right. And so I know that it's a problem in the gearbox. So what we did is we went ahead and we ordered a power steering gearbox with quick turn ratio. These older model cars, you got to turn the steering wheel like 3.5 to 4, like at least 3.5 times to make a complete turn to the right or make a complete turn to your left. And with the quick turn ratio gearbox, it's only 2 turns. So you get better steering, better handling. It's just more comfortable, more fun to drive. You don't want to be whipping that thing and doing all that. You want to, you know what I'm saying? So that's going to make it a little bit more funner, a little bit more better to drive, like the newer model cars. So that should be in next week. So we're going to get that put in. So sometime in the next couple of days or so, we're gonna be taking this thing right here off. Let me show it to y'all. All right, YouTube. This right here, that is the power steering box right there. I know y'all see that. The gearbox, this thing right here. So I got a fluid leak. I don't know if y'all can see that fluid leak or not. Y'all see that fluid? Yeah, look at that right there. See how it's moist right up in there? That's what my fluid has been leaking out. So I got to redo that AN10 line so that it don't leak. And we're going to take this off. And what we going to do while we got this off, you see here, it's mounted against the frame rail. It's mounted against the frame rail. We're going to clean that frame rail up because we didn't paint behind that. We didn't take the power steering box off when we painted the frame before we put the engine in. So when we take that gearbox off, we're gonna clean the frame up where it is mounted to with a wire brush, and we're gonna paint the frame. Ain't no sense in putting it back on there all crusty. You know what I'm saying? And then also what I think I'm gonna do is the new power steering gearbox. I'm gonna paint it with clear coat, acrylic clear coat, engine enamel. I'm sorry, yeah, with engine enamel. Let me see if I got it. Sure, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna put some of this on here. Engine enamel gloss clear. And what that'll do is it'll protect it, man, because it's gonna be aluminum. Just like this gearbox, this power brake booster. I mean, just like this master cylinder. I sprayed this with about 5 or 6 coats of this right here. That way it don't get all crusty and rusty looking, man. Yeah, that'll make it last and look new as long as it possibly can. So that's a quick tip right there, YouTube. So that's what we're gonna be working on in the immediate. I also got another part here that I haven't put on yet. So I know y'all can see this little oil. I got a little oil blowback up here, little oil here, a little oil in the engine compartment. But it's oil around this top right here. But where it's coming from, you see how this is loose? Oil is coming out from around here and it's blowing back, getting in the engine compartment. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this right here like that, mount it in there. Then I'm just gonna put the cap on top of there like that. This is the way it's supposed to go right here, YouTube. I just like that look right there. I didn't like that big, long, stout oil filler tube. I just want this look right here, but it's leaking oil, it's blowing back, and a little smoke come out of the valve cover. Sometime when I get on it at the right time, you'll see smoke. So that'll take care of that. That's another thing that we're gonna be doing. Another thing that we're gonna do after we get finished with the gearbox is I gotta do my rear end, man. I got to do my rear end, man. I get tired of that sucker spinning, and it don't have positive traction on it. So I have to get my rear end built. And you know, I got motivated about that rear end, man. Thanks to my boy Mo Gritty, my boy Heavy Chevy Mo Gritty. Kind of been watching some of his videos, man, on YouTube, and he kind of got me motivated a bit, you know, to do that rear end, because I think that's what that's what he working on right now. He got his car in the shop, and they doing his rear end. I think he took a 95, 96 Impala or a Caprice rear end with disc brakes on the back, and put it in, and he getting the gears and positive traction and all that. So, you know, he motivated me about that, man. So I appreciate that. Shout out to my boy Heavy Chevy Mo Gritty. Check him out, man. There goes his information right there. And yeah, go and check him out. He got a real nice 72 donk. The build is real nice, man. It's coming along. Keep up the good work, my boy. You know, we got to bless each other, man. You know, we got to look out for each other, man. We got to continue to uplift and support, continue to motivate one another, man. You know, we can't expect God to bless us if we ain't blessing nobody else. You ain't got to be no money. You ain't got to give nobody no money. You ain't got to give nobody nothing, no physical possessions. You know, just bless somebody, man. Just bless somebody. Tell them, hey, look. You tell somebody, I hope you having a good day today. You have a blessed day, sir. Or, you know, you provide your help. You provide your assistance. You know what I'm saying? God ain't going to bless us if we don't bless nobody else. And you can look at that and you can see that for yourself. You know? You might be one of them people waiting on God to do something for you, man. And God ain't going to do it for you because guess what? You ain't blessing nobody. You know? That might be holding some folks back, man. And so if you know better, do better, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? It ain't that hard. It ain't even hard at all. You know what I'm talking about? But anyway, man, you got to treat other people how you want to be treated. And God said it, man. You know, the way you want to be treated, the things that you want people to do for you, you got to do for other people, man. For real. And guess what? You'll get somewhere like that. Real talk. But anyway, YouTube, man. Hey, it is what it is. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, y'all know, hey, man, we in this thing together, man. We got to move forward, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to progress. I want to progress. You know, I'm trying to help, encourage, and motivate. And you know, that's why one main reason why I do YouTube. To help people, to encourage people, to inspire people. And doing all that is blessing, man. It's blessing. But anyway, you too. I just wanted to make that video, man. And let y'all know what we got coming up. Y'all stay tuned in. We finna crank this thing back up. We getting ready to start painting the hood. Show y'all the hood I got right here. Me and my neighbor, they painted the rims and calipers on that video on my YouTube channel. Check that video out. Click in that top right corner, man, and check out how my neighbor painted his rims and calipers, man. This guy is attention to detail, man. He is phenomenal. The process that he used, I mean, I know this brother got a gift of painting. And you know what? It's God-given, man. And me and him, I ain't never painted no car. But guess what? We gonna do it together. He ain't never painted no car either. But we gonna do it together. Show y'all the hood real quick. Yeah, there go the hood right there, YouTube. And the color is the color we gonna paint it. It's not exactly the same, but it's very, very similar. It's like a green with a metallic flake in it, YouTube. Let's see if I crank this thing up for y'all, man. Hopefully the battery ain't dead. Crank it up, let it run for a minute, YouTube. See what's going on. Hit this switch. look, make sure we right over here. Look at everything, make sure everything good, YouTube. Coolant 16 amp. Everything looking good, YouTube. Yes sir, baby. Alright, YouTube. That's what it do. Hey, I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for locking in with me. Y'all stay locked in, man. Got a lot of great content coming up. So, y'all leave me some comment. Let me know what y'all think, man. Like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. And we gonna holler at y'all on the next video. YouTube.